I got the keys to my studio yesterday. My fixturing period on the studio was supposed to be 2 weeks. It's turned out to be 2 days. So yesterday and today. Today, Alex and I were moving some furniture over there, and now I've got to go in and paint. I'm hoping to get in there tonight and tomorrow and get the painting started and record that so that you guys can see the transition of the space from what it is to what it will become, and see how you can make the most of a small studio. One of the things I'm looking forward to is something that I miss that I used to be able to do when I had my own studio before. And it's what I used to call my gym days. And I would photograph models with the local modeling agency. Mondays I would shoot men, and Wednesdays I would shoot women. Now I'm going to include non-binary people in there as well. The whole idea for me is to like experiment and learn and try new things with that. But now it's going to have a different tone to it. I think it's also going to be me creating videos for this YouTube channel about lighting, about portraiture, about things that are related to working within the studio setting. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to bring that to the channel. Some of the work that I did when I was doing my gym days, which my workouts, is some of the best work, some of the work that really helped move me forward because there's no pressure. I'm creating for myself. I'm not creating for a job. I'm doing personal work. This is something that I recommend to other photographers to do. If you have a studio, you need to be shooting. You need to be shooting whether you're being hired to shoot or not. If you have a studio and you're not shooting, then I don't think you necessarily want to be a photographer. If you're only shooting when you get hired, then maybe this isn't the best business for you to be in. Maybe there are other avenues for you to explore. If you can't help but shoot and want to create images, for me it's portraits. I want to capture people. I want to capture their essence and allow them to see who they really are. That's what I want to work on. I want to work on doing the kind of work that isn't belabored by consumerism, by money. I want to definitely do a lot more client work and a lot more work that is belabored by money. Now that I have the freedom and the flexibility to do work that isn't restricted to just that, I'm looking forward to seeing what I do. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. And I'm glad you guys are along for the ride. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and, come along on this journey with me. Let's get back into the studio. Let's get back to work, and let's get back to creating images for the sake of creating images. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.